Today I'm working. What time is it in Polynesia? Let me see. It's 3 a.m. and 32 minutes here in Polynesia, guys. Um, I work very hard now. The next couple minutes it was very hard, and I will see go. I will go see if there's some clients here at the Weimar, and maybe there's some clients, maybe not. I'm working as taxi by now. I was working at communication before. I'm trying taxi now, guys, because I can't live from YouTube by now. I'm almost got a monetization. I need like 4K, no 400K of view on my shorts, because I need 3 million view on short and I get a monetization. I almost got it, guys, so thank you very much for the support. As you can see, it's very dark in Polynesia. At this in Polynesia it's Monday, guys, so nobody on the city. It's so calm. Just need to go. Was the rush before? Had many clients, but now it's so calm. I think I gotta go home, sleep for tomorrow, and be ready. Hey, thank you for being on the live, guys. You can ask me some question. You can subscribe. You can like. Thank you so much. I want to put some music, but YouTube, copyrights, and all this kind of stuff. I cannot do this. Come to today. My client was a violinist, violin, and she's making some good music, guys. Opinion on DD new album. No way, bro. He put a new album, but all this situation on Diddy, guys, is crazy, man. I used to listen to this music when I was a little boy, when he used the police sample. Every brave you, huh? When he sing, sorry, I can't sing Diddy's song. I'm not a good rapper, and I like the last night. Couldn't get answer. I'm coming home. He's a good producer, bro. That I can't say some. I can't talk about this on YouTube because they're gonna ban me. But if Diddy done what he's accused of, what if Diddy done of what he's accused, guys, I think he's not the only one who's gonna fall. The industry of the music, the cinema, some crazy stuff happen in the backstage, guys, and us, the simple people, we don't know. We don't know the truth. I think if everybody knows the truth, there's gonna be some violent fight ground. Is what is Russia? Yes, no. Hi, is Russia? Hey, les Russes. Hey guys, Russia, I met some Russia in 2013 when we got the World Beach Soccer here, the Beach Soccer World Cup. And us Polynesian, we are big, we are tall, we are strong. But you, the Russia guys, you got some big monster too. I was very impressed, guys. Like the Russian men, their height is like 2 meters. They are very big, very muscular, very strong. I was shocked. Nice genetic, Russian. Nice genetic for the fight. I never been to Russia, guys. I never been to Europe, I guess. Yes, but Russia. If I was rich, I would definitely visit this country. So much history, guys. So much beautiful women in Russia, and a strong man. Nice people, guys. Keep it up, the good tip, and link to this right now. I thank you. I thank you for the support, Key. Thank you. Sorry, guys. The commentary is so small on the phone. It's hard to read. Don't what? Don't pick up the phone while driving. Yes. I don't touch my phone, guys. Don't worry. My phone is on the lockdown. I'm just running to do some live. Don't worry, guys. Thank you. Thank you for the attention. I appreciate it. America? No. Me, I'm Polynesian from Ireland, from Islam. I don't come from a country, guys. I'm living in a little island. Look at my dress, Polynesian dress. Everything is feel good. But I went to America many times, guys, because America is not is the country less far from us Polynesian. Because if, for example, if as we want to go to France, we gotta fly to America 8 hours, and after that we gotta fly to France 12 hours, guys. That's so long. And if you want to go to Russia after France, we gotta go to Russia. And I don't know how many times the flight is between France and Russia, guys. We are so far away from all the country, and it's so expensive to take flight, guys, for us Polynesian, that we can't go many times. It's sad. Hi. Hi, Vicky, what's up, man? Thank you guys for being on the live. I'm working right now. And thank you for being on the live I made today. The previous live was my training, guys. You love the training live. So I'm gonna live when I'm training, and it works. Got many views. Like I think I got 10,000 views with my training live. It's so cool. Because, guys, you who are on this live right now, do you prefer live when I play video game, live when I talk about the news, like today, live at work, live at sport? Because I make so many live on Fortnite, guys, but I don't have many views. But when I made the sport live, what? I was shocked. 10,000 views. For me, it's amazing, though, because I don't have million subscribers, guys. So it was a pretty good stats, guys. Cookie, your name? My name is on the channel, Raurii. It's a Polynesian name, guys, Raurii. bro, there's so many people outside, like, it's crazy, guys. It's the night, guys. Like, what the fuck? And you guys, you love the new series on Netflix, guys. The Menendez series, you know, the monster, the Eric and Lyle Menendez story. Bro, I love the show. What a great series. I saw that the brother was pissed off, the real Eric and Lyle, because they say the story is not the truth. And of course, the series is not the truth because only them know the truth, you know? And even if they say something, we can't know. We can't say, yeah, that's true and that's not true. Only them know the truth. But that was a very good series. And now the question is, are they the victim of their parents? Yes, no. I want to think they are, because when I saw the process, the core video, when they talk, if they acting, they are good. But what I saw, wow, they are not actors. They are good guys. Pay attention to the road and get that on the period. Sorry, I don't understand, bro. Andy de Tahiti. Hey, bro, ça va, Andy? Where are you from? Polynesia, Tahiti, bro. Guys, Andy de Tahiti is a YouTuber from Tahiti. You can follow him on his channel, Andy de Tahiti. He's speaking French in this video, but good videos, guys. Ouais, Andy, j'ai laissé la com de côté et je fais taxi en ce moment, tester. C'est pas mal, je croise plein d'Américains. J'aime bien parler avec les Américains, les étrangers, c'est trop cool. Tu viens de te lever là, Andy, il est quelle heure là? 4h du mat'. J'ai fini ma journée, je rentre. Just don't feel this. Gotta blame it on something. Gotta blame it on something. Blame it on the rain that was falling. Blame it on the stars that shine at night. Whatever you do, don't put the blame on you. Blame it on the rain. Yeah. Girl, you know it's true. Oh, 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 I love you. Wow, guys, I'm so tired. I want to sleep. I'm so tired. I gotta stay strong. I really want to sleep. C'était un de mes jobs de rêve pour les mêmes raisons. Ah, bro, c'est clair. Quand on est sociable comme nous deux, bro, c'est un job de rêve, frangin. Guys, Andy say in French, to be taxi is a dream job for him. And I say, of course, bro, when sociable people like us to love to talk to people, it's so cool. It's a good job, guys. And I love meeting people around the world, guys. It's so cool, guys. Je viens de finir le montage d'une vidéo en fait. Bon retour et bon repos le pro. Hey, thank you so much, bro. Man, excellent, j'adore ta vidéo, bro. J'avoue qu'en ce moment, je suis pas trop sur YouTube, bro. Je fais que dormir et de canter. Il faut que j'aille voir ta vidéo, là. Comme t'étais dans mon live. Ok. Andy say, guys, he just finished the real of a new video, and you can go watch his new video, guys. Soon he's gonna post it on his YouTube channel, guys. Gatien, and he is a Polynesian YouTuber, guys. All right. You just have to, if you don't understand French, you just have to watch the Polynesian guys. Okay. Thank you, and they say drive well to the road. Thank you, so guys, it's been 15 minutes. 15 minutes since I've been live. The time passed so fast. Too fast. And I go home. Guys, gotta bring it on something. I'm bringing on something. Blaming on the rain that was falling. Hey, they're only USA on my live, guys. No one speak French. Yo, bro, what's up? Then he said that, bro, I'm working, bro, and I'm live. I'm in live when I'm working, guys. That's all. Taxi. If you come to Tahiti, maybe we're gonna meet each other, alright? I just want to sleep now. I'm so tired. It's maybe 4 in the morning in Polynesia. I just want to sleep. Thank you, everybody on the live. Thank you for being here. So cool. So I'm gonna end the live here, guys. Just want to say thank you all for being here on the live. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the like. Thank you for the likes. Thank you for the comment. I don't know. Maybe I'm gonna wait till 20 minutes to end the live. Like that is very beautiful. Thank you for watching. Thank you for commentary, guys. If you have last question, you can write it before I stop the live. In 2 minutes. Just don't feel the same. I'm getting on something. Blame me on the rain that was falling. Blame it on the stars. Don't stop. Now you wish you had her, but it just so fit her through. You let her walk away. I'm in love with you, girl, cause oh my mind, you're the one to think about most every time. When you track your smile and everything you do, don't you try to understand this love is true. You're so full of being lost, sweet and thick, like you're better than me. I put your skin, you can't help my day, and that is so true. Together we want to put that way too. To make you all mine is what they say. To make you feel the quality that I am right. You should be the room, my words don't understand. Cause I'm in love, girl. Still, I'm just in love, girl. I'm just in love, girl. Wait, guys, I see nothing. And this is true. Girl, you know it's true. Oh, 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 I love you. Yes, you know it's true. Oh, 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 I love you. Girl, you know it's true. My love is for you. So, guys, thank you for watching the live, and see you next time. Bye.